Okay, so now we're going to talk a little bit about the filtration and how to change your filters. So your Canadian Spa Company hot tub will have one of these filter tops, which will have two screws here at the top. You unscrew them by hand. And make sure you don't lose these. Off the side. You take the top off. And inside of here, this is where you normally keep your filters. So the first part of the filtration is the pre-filter screen, and what this does is it's sort of like a coffee screen, helps to prevent a lot of the smaller debris and things from entering into the system. So when you're replacing or changing it, you pull this off without having to dump anything inside, and you can dump the debris off to the side. And your filters. So we're going to remove these two. These are just screwed in. You lift them up. As you can see, they've had a little bit of use here, so we're going to replace them here. These filters, see, they've got some debris already built up inside them, and this means that they're probably due to be changed. The tops and the bottoms have also sort of faded, and the inside here, the Microban. So this is the silver ions in the tops and the bottoms to help to sanitize the water. And you have the blue Microban protection to prevent bacteria buildup. So the main idea, meaning that your spa only filters, runs filtration cycle for about 4 hours a day. So the other 20 hours, what happens to the filtration? How does your spa remain clean? These Microban infused and silver ion embedded filters help to maintain your spa's cleanliness throughout the day, no matter if the filtration cycle is running or not. So for those 20 hours, your filters are doing a great job. So we're just going to open up another set here. You've got your two filters. It also comes with two pre-filter screens. So we'll dispose these two. And I want to take the plastic off first. As you can see, got a lot more vibrant blue color and blue Microban and the silver ions in the tops and the bottom, because this one has been used too long. This one is the new one. So you'll screw those back in. So these filters, to maximize the efficiency out of the silver ions in the tops and the bottoms and the Microban pleats, those last about every 3 to 4 months in terms of the maximum filtration and the maximum cleanliness, cleaning availability and sanitizing availability of the filters themselves. We actually have a prepaid filter subscription program, which will include the link below, which helps to send you out a new set of filters immediately as you need them. So every 4 months they'll send you out another package of filters. It's great savings. Actually end up getting 3 for the price of 2. We recommend it because you don't want to spend your time having to clean and spending your time cleaning your hot tub. You want to be able to use it. So when you get the new set, you can dispose of the old set, put the new set in, and not have to worry about having a dirty hot tub. So we'll put the pre-filter screen back in. Right, now we're going to put the filter lid back on. Put your screws back in. And now you have clean filters to help to keep your water clean inside the tub.